Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing well. I know it's been a few months since my last video, but to be honest, I've just been slammed with a lot of projects on the go. So basically in this video, I want to go over 2021 and how extremely grateful I am for each and every one of you and what to expect with 2022. So I'm just gonna hop on the computer here really quick, show you how 2021 has been and what to expect. So here we are at the YouTube channel and with almost 50,000 subscribers, absolutely bonkers. Now I started this channel off in, I believe, 2017, and this was to originally promote my plumbing and heating business, which I still operate today. And it has since grown, and I've kind of changed the direction of it. Instead of promoting the business, which I don't need plumbing business anymore, it's all through referrals, is now I've changed it to more of just how-to videos, and I truly enjoy making them. That's why I continue doing them. And if you look back, some of these videos are just awful. Like these were filmed with my cell phone. I eventually bought a cheap Canon camera, and then I've since upgraded. I think I upgraded right around this video here to a 4K camera. And you can see even just in the thumbnail, the quality is much better. I've also upgraded my audio and just continue with it. It's just so enjoyable to me just to see the finished product and just kind of track the timeline. So I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at editing and a little bit better at filming, definitely compared to 2017. Now the channel has definitely grown exponentially. I'm pretty excited about almost hitting 50K here. And then even the Starlink video, which was only 8 months ago with 1.1 million views, is pretty remarkable. I think this was just on trend at the right time. You know, people staying home from COVID, having to work from home and requiring internet. And it's just the right time to put it out. So I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this and really all the videos for that matter. Now I appreciate every single view, and I'm getting a ton of positive comments as well that I'm extremely grateful for. Some in the comments were asking, how do I give back or support the channel? To be honest, just throwing me a comment saying you like the video is more than enough. If you want to go above and beyond, you can buy some products on Amazon. These are affiliate links with the products I use in the videos, and they don't cost you any more money than what they originally cost, but I just make a little bit of commission on them, and they help with the channel and me personally and my family. Now, if you're really feeling generous and you do not have to do this, there's a donate link right here, which a few people have done this year. And again, I'm extremely grateful for this. You can add whatever amount you want and give me a message here. I do read them. And it's just awesome that a few people decided to do this. Again, guys, thank you so much. And it looks like 50K is probably going to hit here in the next month or two. And who knows, 100K, maybe a reality someday. Now, a few videos you can expect for early 2022 is I already have a toilet replacement video filmed. So I just have to go around and edit that. One that was really requested is they want to see the filter replacement on the home house filtration system, which is I have here. And it's been in here about a year and 2 months. And I'll try to see if I can get this on camera. If I shine the light in behind maybe. But it's definitely been doing its job. It's really nasty in there. And that's a good sign because it's filtering all this crud out of there. So that video will be out shortly, and we'll see how nasty this looks when we take it apart. So one of the bigger projects I'm going to be tackling in 2022 is the remodel of this bathroom. I won't be filming everything, but I have a few projects that I'll film inside here. One including the countertop replacement. I'm going to put an undermount sink in, I believe. I'll probably keep the faucet since this is still in good condition. Cabinet is solid wood, so I'm going to keep that. Just change the handles. All the green tile will be coming out and replaced. The toilet is fairly new, so I'll just rip that up, change the flooring, put the toilet back in. And the big project is the tub. So this tub right now is only really usable as a tub only and not a shower, since there's no shower valve on the wall. So I'll have a video of moving this shower valve, installing a new one here on the wall with the tub spout and shower head. And I'm unsure what I'm going to do with the tub surround. I'm either going to frame a wall in right here and go up straight to the wall and then do a tub surround. And then I'll have shelving on this side facing this way. The other option I thought of is maybe doing a shower or a custom shower rod. We have a slanted ceiling here, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult. But doing one of those shower curtains that wrap right around the tub, similar to in hospitals. But I'm on the fence about that idea. I'm probably gonna just rough in a new wall and put a vinyl or acrylic tub surround in. So hopefully there'll be a lot of helpful and interesting videos regarding this bathroom, so stick around for that for 2022. Now I know I said I was gonna film these window replacements and show you guys, but to be honest, I just had too much on the go, so I ended up replacing the 2 bedroom windows, and I have 4 more to replace. So if you do think you wanna see that video, just say it in the comments, and I'll film it and show you in the spring. Now I definitely think they turned out all right. They definitely look better than they did before. That's for sure. And I did mess up in one spot here. I had them all measured out, went to order them, and the guy behind the counter was like, you know what, you should do a window sill instead of a 2-inch brick mold. And I was like, oh man, that sounds great. But what I forgot to incorporate is that I needed the 2-inch brick mold to cover up the original opening. So this is an aftermarket 2-inch brick mold that I add underneath the window sill. But in the end, I think it turned out all right here. And look at that silicone joint. Damn. Here's the new window on the inside where I had to do a drywall return here and then onto some casing. It all turned out really well. It just kind of brightens up this room and some curtains. Now for the big news in 2021, 2022 is yes, I'm gonna be a daddy. And to be honest, I cannot be more excited. All this stuff was donated to us. We're extremely fortunate to have close friends that were able to give us all this stuff. But look at this little guy here. Oh my God. Oh man, what a new chapter in my life. Well guys, thanks for all the support in 2021. It's been an absolutely amazing year for the channel. I don't really like calling it a channel. Maybe I'll just refer to it as a community. And I do appreciate each and every one of you. That being said, 2021 has been a really tough year for a lot of people. So I'm wishing you all great health, happiness, and fortune in 2022. Till next time.